Hi everyone. So now we will implement the search with the API in React Native, and that API is created with the help of JSON server. If you don't have any idea what is JSON server, how it's actually used, then you can watch our previous video. Link is given in the description box for complete series. JSON server is super easy. There you can create APIs with just 2 or 3 minutes, right? And in videos you will get to know everything, like how we can install it, how we can use it, how we can create API and everything. So what we need to do for search with the API, firstly we will create a search box, and once we will start typing there, we will call API on every text change, and that API basically return the search result based on that text. We will display the result on the UI, and we'll add some style also, and you will get to know some important points for interview also. Alright. And now let me show you the JSON server, like how you can search the result there. So if you will just go down, you will get to know everything, how you can install and all. Even I already created the video for this, but if you just want to check there, this is also fine. And after that, if you just go down bit, then you will find that there is a get API, and if you will just put there question mark with Q and your text, then you will get to the old result. So let me show you with our API. So these are the list of our user, right? So if I'm just directly putting there question mark A equal to Anil, then you will just get to know okay, not A, we have to put there Q. So you will get the result with the name of Anil. Here you can see that, right? And if I'm just putting there AN, then you will get the two result, because AN belongs to the Anil as well as Batman. So if you just search there 30, then you can see that there is a 3 result, because with the 3 users age has 13. Alright, so this API will work. So this is already created. So what we need to do now, we can directly jump on the code. So firstly I will create there a text input. So let me create a text input. This is already imported from the React Native, right? And there you can add a placeholder. So let me just show in the next line, and there you can put search or something, whatever you want to put, right? After that, because this is not look like a proper search box, so what we can do there, we can add some style. So let me add some style also. You can put the font size could be 20, and you can also put border width could be 1, border color could be, let's say, sky blue or whatever you want to put. And we can also add some margin. Let me add margin is 20. Perfect. So this is now look like a search box. So we can, if you want to add some padding and other thing, that you can also do, because I will not focus much on the style. We will focus only on the search API and all. Alright. So now we will add there a event on text change. So on text change, it will be a callback function, and there we can call any function, and we can pass this text to there. So let me just create a function with the name of search const search user, right? It could be an arrow function or anything. Let me just create a one text or item, whatever you want to put there you can put. And now we can just search user there, and let's pass the text there. And now if we'll just try to search there, let's say I'm just trying to search there Anil, then you can see that whatever I'm putting there, you can see that we can see in the this console. So text search is we are able to get the text value on change perfectly. There is no issue. After that we have to call their API. So what I need to do, firstly I will create a URL, and on the URL here you can see that this is our you can say that actual the URL, right? So what I'm going to do there, I will put the search URL there, but we need to change this IP with the 10.0 0.0.2, because in Android emulator we can get the local IP with that way. At the after that we have to put there question mark q, and at the last we have to put the query that we want to pass, right? So better to be we can use their backticks, then put the dollar, and you can just simply put their text. If you want to check like what we are getting in the URL, then you can check also, and we have to put their question mark equal to. So if I'm just putting something here, you can see that users question mark q and whatever name we are searching, we are getting there. So URL is perfectly working fine. Even if you want to declare this URL outside the search box, then you can still do, but I just want to make it simple, so I'm just putting there only. After that, what you can do, just use their fetch method, and whenever we will use the fetch method, it will return the promise. So what we need to do there, we have to put await keyword. We have to handle the promise, so we will just use async and await there. After that, I'm taking a search variable, fetch API function we can use, this pass the URL there and use await keyword. After that, what you can need to do, just overload this result again with result.json. Initially the result has in a read stream format, and this will convert our result in the JSON format. Perfect. So if we have result is perfectly working fine, what we can do there, we can just want the result if you want, otherwise let's store in the state. So just simply put there use const data set data use state. By default we can put the empty array, and let's simply put there set data result. Perfect. Let's format it once. Great. Now the next thing that we can do, we can plot this result, right? We can plot this data. Alright, so what we need to do there, we will check there in a JSX data dot length. If it has some value, we can just simply use the map function data dot map, and again we know that it will return a callback function. Simply put there item dot, not item dot, we can simply use their view, right? And inside view we can use some text also. Let me show you how we can use this text. So simply put there item dot name. Let's see. Yeah, one more thing that we need to do, we have to put there null if there is a nothing in length. Even you can just show there no result found, but that's okay. By default you can just put it blank. Let me just search something here. No data we are getting there. That's weird. Let's check why we are not getting data. Yeah, the thing is because we just made this URL wrong. We have to use 10.0.2.2. Now let's try, and here you can see that we are getting an old result, right? But they are bit, you can see that small, so we can add some style there. Let's say font size could be 20. Yeah, perfect. But with the name we can also show the age, and last thing is email also, right? We got everything, but they are just showing in a single column. This is not look like a table or search result or something, right? So let me just make it bit better in the way of UI. So just put there what we can say that flex direction could be row. One thing, justified content could be, justified content we don't need actually. We can see that, yeah, we can use justified content space between much better. Margin we can add there, margin let's say 10 pixel or 20 pixel. Yeah, this is much better, not a best UI, not even good UI, but here you can get some idea, like this is the name, this is the email ID and age and all right. So I'm just trying to search with the Anil, and here you can see that this is working fine, because if I just search there AN, here you can see that we are getting AN in a first one and AN in a bat one last, right? So if I'm just putting there 30, then we got the 3 match result, because 3 users has the same age, right? And if I'm just searching for B, then we can again get the 3 results, because in 3 users we have the letter B. So this is the kind of search result, 34 and all, whatever you want to search, right? Let's say Peter or anything. So this is working perfectly fine. Even if there is a no result, let's say I'm just searching something weird. Why this is shut? There is a no result, then in the you can just change this null to the no result found or something, right? That could be also possible. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any question, any query, please ask me in the comment section, and I would request you please like this video, share my this video, and subscribe my channel. And this is my Paytm donation number, guys. Thank you.